Hi, welcome back to my Can CAD channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a new page and save it efficiently in specific folder. This is an important skill for keeping your project organized. Let's get to it. If you're familiar with software, you know that acad.dwt is default template file used for creating a new drawing. When open AutoCAD, navigate Start, select New, choose the acad.dwt template. It will open a new drawing page based on the default setting. Once your new page is open, you can start customize it according to your project needs. Adjust unit, dimension, and anything else specific to your design requirement. Time to save it. But instead of just hitting save, let's organize your files. Click Files, Save As. Choose Save As and navigate to other folder where you want to store your project files. This is a good habit to maintain a group of folders and easy access to your files later. Save the file with descriptive name in selected folder. Always name your file clearly and keep your folders organized by project or date. You have successfully created a new acad.dwt page and saved it in a specific folder. Keeping your file organized is the key to a stress-free workflow. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more AutoCAD tips. See you next video.